So we got a little snowstorm on our hands. So we gotta get this shit right. It's crazy. Oh shit! Snowball fight. Shit. That train though. It's super cold. Y'all knew how cold it was out here? Woo! It's the most wonderful time of the year. Man, somebody save us. Somebody save us. Somebody save us. They're looking like, damn, there's a black guy. We're in Washington. I kind of want to run back there. You know what I mean? We're in Narnia. This is Narnia, guys. This is Narnia. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at my shoes, bro. That nigga, that crazy. That nigga's this shit. I want to go over there, but I'm scared. I'm gonna see through the fucking snow. Oh my god! God, I'm finna drown. I'm finna drown. I'm so scared. Watch this. Oh, fuck. I don't know what's going on. I'm so deep in snow, this shit don't make no sense. Cuz over there getting it right. This is crazy though. Like, it's really not as cold as it might look though. You know, it's really not that cold. It's cold, but it's not. I kind of want to take a little adventure. Oh, but I'm falling so deep. I don't know how deep the snow is. Look at my feet. I'm that deep in the snow. It's tough, man. It's tough. Like, the snowflakes are falling down out of the sky. I can't wait to upload this video for you guys. Don't count. Boom, boom, boom. You want to put another one on? Or yeah, I'll try to do that shit on me. I don't even know what the fuck you doing.
That's what you want. You want the bag now?
This is Infinio. What the people going by, truckers. It's freezing cold. I haven't seen one black person yet, bro. Hey, dog, what up? He showed love. That's hard. He showed some love. You're supposed to hit the fucking... I'm freezing cold, boy. Hey, let's get it. There's no kill. Nigga just showed up. Look at her. Yeah, man. Snow Patrol, Snow Patrol, Snow Patrol, Snow Patrol. This is Snow Patrol. Eddie's coming to you with Snow Patrol. Now I'm running. Now I'm running on ice. I'm running on ice. I am running on ice. I already got tired. I already got time. I'm finna see how many trucks I can make do this. Let's get it! Let's go! Oh, she's not fucking with me. That's crazy, Grandma. That was a grandma. She didn't really fuck with me. What's up, man? How you doing? I know I'm probably out here looking crazy. These people are, get out the, oh. Sir? Good. Putting on the chains?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need help?
First time, yeah, I need help, man.
Ah.
First time ever. Just want to see how you do.
He said he need help too. This his first time too.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's first time for me, you know. I just want to see how you're doing. Exactly, we have same tire, single. I do have a single like this.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just I YouTube it, so.
Yeah, I watch on YouTube too, you know.
So you just put it, I guess, like over it, leave them down like this.
Yeah.
I don't know how he's connecting it, but
Yeah, you definitely want these up.
You want to have those up, yeah. So do you work on this side?
I just moved here. Well, we don't live here.
Oh, you don't live here? Okay.
Yeah, but we're driving.
I live in Seattle, but normally I don't go on I-90. I go to California.
Yeah, that's where we live.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was dealing with snow all the way from Spokane, Washington. Yeah, about 200 miles this way. You know. Crazy.
But yeah, that's how. I mean, crazy. This snow. I've never seen snow like this.
Yeah.
You know? So it's crazy to me. It's kind of crazy.
Over here, they have the mountains. We just very close. You know, this is so bad. Seattle, it never snows because they're close to the water. Yeah. It's only here.
Oh, so over like along this down that way, it's still snowing.
Once you pass the mountains, it's okay. It's raining.
Ah.
Yeah, it's just over this area.
Okay. So I mean, they're saying trucks gotta have.
Yeah, you have to have. If they require, you have to have. You got a big ticket, you know. Yeah.
I think all you have to do is put them on your driver tires.
Oh, the driver.
So like these ones.
Yeah. I do have exactly the same like this, you know.
I'm trying to learn from him because I don't know what to do. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He don't really know what to do. It's
First
his
time
first
for
time.
him. And
So
so you have a total of, I think I have 2 boxes like this. Yeah, I have maybe like total of 4 chains. Yeah, let me try, brother.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Good luck, man. Hope you get it done, man. Hope you get it done. Hey, man. I love you guys, man. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you do that for me. I'm finna go back to the road. See what these people got going now. I wanna see if this is like ice. This shit is like. Shit is crazy. I'm like the black Santa Claus. I'm waving at everybody. Nobody's waving back. People aren't that friendly. That's crazy. I love being friendly. I just love it so much. All right, dude, y'all don't have to wave. That's crazy. They're probably Trump supporters. Yeah. Let's go. My arm is getting tired. I love you guys. Woo! There's some pretty people. Some pretty people. Beautiful. Beautiful people. Hope you don't try to hit me, bro. These people are kind of angry, some of them. And that is it. That's the last of the cars. Yay! All right, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all seen me in the snow. I love you guys. Please watch these videos because I need your help. I need your help. I love y'all so much, man. I love y'all so much. Keep subscribing. Not keep subscribing. Keep liking the videos. New people who are watching. Subscribe to my channel, please. I would love you forever. And like the videos if you can, which I know you can. So like them. I love y'all, man. I'm out.